Hey everyone, and welcome back to the AI Tech channel. Today, we're diving into a question that's buzzing through Silicon Valley and hitting the runways. Is AI revolutionizing fashion for young people, or is it a privacy nightmare waiting to happen? We've got some eye-opening data that might just change how you see the future of AI. Stick around, because what we uncover could impact your digital life more than you think. Did you know that almost two-thirds of teens don't trust big tech to protect their online well-being? Shocking, right? Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about ASOS, the online fashion giant. They're using Azure AI Studio to create personalized shopping experiences for young fashion lovers. Imagine an AI that knows your style better than you do, suggesting outfits you'll absolutely adore. ASOS has nearly 900 brand partners, so finding that perfect fit can be overwhelming. They're betting big on AI to cut through the noise and deliver personalized recommendations like never before. Cliff Cohen, the CTO at ASOS, said that using the conversational interface option gets them closer to their goals of fully engaging the customer and personalizing their experience by showing them the most relevant products at the most relevant time. Pretty cool, huh? They're using Azure OpenAI Service and Azure AI Prompt Flow to build this experience. Think of it as having a personal stylist powered by AI. Now, the magic behind the scenes is Azure AI Prompt Flow. This is what allows ASOS to streamline development and testing, ensuring the AI interacts with customers in a realistic way. Fabin Zogang, senior machine learning scientist at ASOS, said that Prompt Flow helped streamline their development and testing cycles, which established the groundedness they required for making sure the customer and the solution were interacting in a realistic way. They even used Azure OpenAI service models and Prompt Flow to communicate and orchestrate workflows between various services using their internal authentication APIs. It's like the engine that keeps the whole personalized fashion train running smoothly. What's truly impressive is that ASOS built a prototype in just a few weeks using these Azure services. The AI learns about customer preferences, pulls in trend data, and helps shoppers find relevant items. It's a proof of concept that's already ready for customer testing. ASOS is also training the AI to track trends. Vanessa Spence, senior creative director at ASOS, said that they've worked hard to make sure that when the customer is engaging with the experience, they feel like they are talking to ASOS. This is key because fashion is all about newness, and ASOS wants to show customers the latest and greatest. But here's where things get interesting. ASOS is taking responsible AI seriously. They're using Azure AI Content Safety to ensure high-quality interactions and outputs that align with their ethical standards. Papinder Dosanjh, head of data science and machine learning at ASOS, said they were very clear that they wanted to incorporate content safety and brand safety into the conversational experience, so they could make sure they were ethically sound and managing the potential pitfalls of a deeply conversational, customer-facing feature. This includes verifying the absence of malicious AI jailbreaks and reducing cultural biases in search results. They even tested with 150 internal users and a sampling of real customers, and got zero red flags in terms of safety and security. That's a big win for responsible AI. Let's shift gears and talk about Ernst & Young, or EY. They're undergoing a massive AI-driven transformation. They've invested a whopping $1.4 billion to become the leading AI-powered professional services organization. That's a huge commitment. Raj Sharma, EY Global Managing Partner, said for enterprises to effectively leverage AI today, they first need to determine specific applications where the technology will best help them, how AI can be integrated into existing infrastructures, and how AI will impact their organization's information security and data privacy policies. They are acting as their own client zero and testing AI deployments internally so that they can guide their clients based on real experience and practical use cases of this technology. This is not just about adopting AI, it's about fundamentally changing how they operate. EY's journey started well before the ChatGPT era, with strategic acquisitions and a shift to cloud and consolidated data systems. They faced challenges like proof-of-concept fatigue, but they're now harmonizing their AI efforts to align with business goals and put humans at the center of everything they do. EY is also seeing a shift in AI roles. The focus is moving from manual data analysis to automated systems. This means that traditional data science roles are evolving into knowledge engineering roles. These roles include AI ethicists, compliance experts, chief AI officers, AI governance leads, and AI agent developers. These new roles require a deep understanding of policy, ethics, and organizational strategy. They're all about ensuring that AI is used responsibly and ethically. EY emphasizes that transparency, accountability, and rigorous governance are essential in ensuring AI systems are safe, ethical, and aligned with human values. They strongly advocate for a human-centered approach to AI, and this will be even more critical with AGI. They need to ensure that it's not just about the technology, but about how that technology serves the real interests of society, businesses, and individuals alike. But all this raises a critical question. Can we really trust these companies with our data? A recent study by Common Sense Media reveals that a significant portion of U.S. teens have little faith in big tech's approach to AI and online safety. 64% of teens believe that technology companies will not protect their online well-being. That's a staggering number. 62% don't think big tech will prioritize safety over profits. This distrust extends to ethical behavior, data security, and responsible AI implementation. 53% of teens don't trust major tech companies' ability to act ethically and responsibly when designing new products. 52% don't believe big tech will keep their data safe. 47% believe big tech will not make responsible decisions about AI and its implementation in their products. These findings suggest that teens are not passive observers. They're actively navigating the unreliability of online information and the profit-driven practices of tech corporations. They're demanding privacy protections, transparency measures, and clear labeling of AI-generated content. It's a wake-up call for big tech. Finally, let's address the elephant in the room, the environmental impact of AI. AI needs massive amounts of computing power, which translates to energy consumption. Data centers are energy hogs, and their growth is raising concerns about carbon emissions. But here's the twist. AI can also be a climate hero. It can be used to optimize energy consumption, develop sustainable technologies, and monitor environmental changes. The key is to ensure that AI is powered by renewable energy and used responsibly. Mawson Infrastructure Group is building data centers in old industrial sites, reusing existing power infrastructure. This is one way to reduce the environmental footprint of AI. But the question remains, will AI be a climate hero or a climate villain? It all depends on how we choose to power and apply it. So what's the takeaway here? AI is transforming industries from fashion to professional services. It's creating new opportunities, but it's also raising ethical and environmental concerns. Teens are skeptical of big tech's promises, and they're demanding greater transparency and accountability. The future of AI depends on responsible development, ethical frameworks, and a human-centered approach. We need to ensure that AI serves the interests of society, businesses, and individuals alike. What do you think? Are you excited about the potential of AI, or are you worried about its risks? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tech news. Thanks for watching.